Good morning, teacher. My name is Gabriela Rojas, student class 191B30. Moral history for kids. A glass of milk. The moral. No good that goes unwatered. There was a poor boy who spent his days going door to door selling his papers to pay for school. One day, as he was walking the road, he started feeling low and weak. The poor boy was starving, so he decided to ask for food when he came to the next door. The poor boy asked for food, but was denied every time, until he reached the door of a girl. He asked for a glass of water, but, but saying, poor staying. The girl came back with a glass of milk. The boy asked how much he owed her for the milk, but she refused pay. Years later, the girl, who was now a grown woman, fell sick. She went from doctor to doctor, but no one was able to cure her. She went to the best doctor in town. The doctor experimented treating her until she was finally cured. Despite her happiness, she was afraid she couldn't afford to pay the bill. What when the hospital handed her the bill it read, paid in full with a glass of milk. Thank you, teacher.